Welcome back to TECHFRONTER. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting to dive into, the Google Pixel 8, set to be the best camera phone of 2023. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our tech updates. Let's jump right in. Ladies and gentlemen, the Google Pixel 8 is the most anticipated smartphone of 2023, and with Google's stellar reputation in the camera department, it's no surprise. Google has consistently delivered top-tier camera phones, and the Pixel 8 is expected to be no exception. So, let's explore what makes this phone truly remarkable. First up, the display. The Google Pixel 8 boasts a gorgeous 6.7-inch OLED display with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or simply browsing the web, this high refresh rate screen ensures a visually captivating experience that's unparalleled. Now, let's talk power. Under the hood, the Pixel 8 is fueled by the latest Google Tensor chip. This custom-designed processor is optimized for machine learning and AI. What does that mean for you? It means the Pixel 8 can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. It's a device that thinks ahead, adapting to your needs in real time. In terms of memory and storage, the Pixel 8 comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and for those of you who need more space, you can expand the storage up to a whopping 1TB using a micro SD card. No more worrying about running out of room for your photos, videos, and apps. Now, let's dive into the real star of the show, the camera system. The Pixel 8 is equipped with a triple-lens rear setup, featuring a 50-megapixels main sensor, a 12-megapixels ultra-wide sensor, and a 12-megapixels telephoto sensor with 4x optical zoom. This versatile system excels in any shooting scenario, capturing incredible detail in both well-lit and low-light conditions. Whether you're snapping landscapes or zooming in on distant subjects, the Pixel 8 has you covered. But the camera innovations don't stop there. Google has introduced new software features, like night sight mode for excellent low-light photography without a flash, and there's a new portrait mode that delivers professional-looking portraits right from your phone. The Pixel 8 truly takes smartphone photography to the next level. Beyond its photographic prowess, the Pixel 8 packs a punch with other features. You can count on a long-lasting battery, a fast-charging system, and the convenience of a fingerprint sensor under the display. Plus, it runs the latest version of Android, so you'll have access to all the cutting-edge features and security updates. In conclusion, the Google Pixel 8 is the most anticipated smartphone of 2023, and for good reason. It's expected to have a great camera system, a long-lasting battery, and a powerful processor. If you're looking for the best camera phone of 2023, the Google Pixel 8 is the phone for you. Before we wrap things up, here's the scoop on availability. The Pixel 8 is set to be released in October 2023, with a starting price of $699 for the base model. It will be available in various colors, including black, white, and green, and you can grab one through Google's online store or major retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, and Walmart. That's a wrap for today's deep dive into the Google Pixel 8, the best camera phone of 2023. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to TECHFRONTER, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.